How to activate Wi-Fi calling on Android 15. In this video, I will show you two different methods to enable Wi-Fi calling and make a call using the Wi-Fi network on your Android device. First method, open the app drawer on your device, tap the phone app, tap the three vertical dots at the top right corner, tap the settings. Now here you can find the calling accounts option in the general section. Tap on calling accounts. Now tap on your network, SIM network. Tap the Wi-Fi calling and toggle on the option use Wi-Fi calling. Now you can see option calling preferences. Tap on it. Here you can choose call over Wi-Fi, call over mobile network. So select the option you want to make a call using the Wi-Fi or a cellular data on your device. And the second method is open the app drawer on your device, go to settings, tap the network and internet, tap the SIM on your device. Now scroll down, tap the SIM and scroll down until you can find the Wi-Fi calling option. Tap on it. Make sure to toggle on it, use Wi-Fi calling and choose the calling preference, call over Wi-Fi or call over mobile networks. If you don't want to use, just toggle up it to turn off Wi-Fi calling on your Android 15 and other device. That's it. If you like it, share it.